In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share a design in Canva, share and copy link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a shareable link and control what others can do with your design. This is perfect for sending previews to clients, gathering feedback from teammates, or collaborating in real time without exporting files or juggling versions. I'll keep things simple, clear, and quick so you can follow along without missing a beat. First, open the specific design you want to share. Make sure you are viewing the correct file and that any recent changes are saved. Sharing sends the current state of your design, and any edits you make later will be reflected for anyone with access. So it's a great way to keep everyone aligned without multiple attachments or downloads. Next, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is your control center for collaboration. If you don't see it right away, maximize your browser window or close any side panels, so the Share button is visible. Clicking it will open a panel with options that determine who can get in and what they can do. Now, adjust the permissions. You'll likely see it set to only you can access by default, which keeps the design private. Change this to anyone with the link. This setting means that anyone you send the link to can open the design even if they weren't specifically invited. Be mindful that this is a broader setting, so only share the link with people you trust and double-check that you are okay with that level of access before proceeding. After that, choose the access level. Can View lets people look at the design without making changes. Ideal for quick previews or approvals. Can Comment allows viewers to leave feedback directly on the design, which is great for reviews and suggestions while keeping your original work intact. Can Edit gives full editing rights, so others can make changes in real time. Pick the option that matches your goal if you are unsure. Start with Can Comment and adjust later as needed. Finally, click the Copy Link button. This copies the shareable URL to your clipboard. Ready to paste into an email, chat, or project management tool. When you share it, include a note about whether the person can view, comment, or edit. So expectations are clear. That's it. Thanks for watching.